Ever wish your closet could transform in seconds? Watch this, one box, endless possibilities. Meet the 6-cube storage organizer from Amazon. Unbox it. Sleek, modern, all-black finish. Surprise, metal hammer included for fast assembly. No tools, no problem. Just snap and tap. Each cube clicks together. Super satisfying, right? Customize your layout, vertical, horizontal, or L shape. Fit it in bedrooms, closets, bathrooms, or playrooms. Toys, books, towels, shoes, everything finds a home. Watch this, one cube holds up to 15 volumes. No sagging shelves, no wobbly frames. Waterproof panels mean easy cleaning, just wipe and done. Need more space? Stack another set on top. Minimalist design, maximum storage, swap cubes around for a fresh look anytime. Label bins for kids' toys or office supplies. Perfect for tiny apartments, goodbye clutter. Parents, organize kids' rooms in minutes. Apartment dwellers, maximize every inch. Home organizers, create your dream storage wall. See how it fits in tight corners. Slide it inside your closet for instant shelves. Or show it off as a modern bookcase. Mix and match with fabric drawers for style. Display plush toys, books, or decor. Industrial metal frame, built to last. No more messy piles, just pure organization. Assemble in under 10 minutes. Yes, really, kids can help. Make it a fun family project. Need to move? Disassemble and reassemble easily. Change your mind? Rearrange cubes anytime. Creative hack? Use as a shoe rack, or a bathroom towel station, or a stylish entryway organizer. Want a reading nook? Stack cubes beside your bed. Craft lovers. Sort supplies by color or type. Label each cube for ultimate efficiency. Store seasonal clothes out of sight. Turn it into a mini pantry in the kitchen, or a display shelf for collectibles. Modern black finish matches any decor. No more boring shelves, make it your own. Add lights for a cozy glow-up, show off your plants or favorite art. Keep kids' rooms tidy, no more lost toys, easy access for little hands. Sturdy enough for heavy books, flexible for every stage of life. From nursery to teen room, it grows with you. Perfect for college dorms, move-in ready. Office workers, organize files and supplies. Retailers, display products with style. Crafted for creative minds and busy families. Stack, rearrange, and reinvent your space. No more wasted corners or empty walls. Fits perfectly in small nooks. Upgrade your storage game instantly. Amazon Prime delivers it fast, no waiting. Unbox, build, organize. Repeat as needed. Transform chaos into calm, one cube at a time. Make cleaning up a breeze for everyone. Hide clutter, showcase style. Sleek, smart, and super functional. Your home, your rules. Design it your way. Ready for a creative storage revolution? Click the link and grab yours now. Organize smarter, not harder. The 6-cube storage organizer, endless possibilities await. Start building your dream space today. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.